授業を始めます。皆さん、こんにちは。We are now on topic 13, session 5. This session has 3 objectives. First, to be able to say the duration or how long a certain activity is being done. Second, to reflect and rethink on how one spends 24 hours in one day. Third, to research and collect information on time management, on the schedule of successful people in the world, and on study guides and strategies. This is the daily schedule of A-san. Let's try to recite it in Japanese. Minasan all together. A-san's daily schedule. Gozen 4時頃に起きる。午前5時に朝ごはんを食べる。午前5時半に学校に行く。午前7時から午後5時まで勉強する。午後5時に家に帰る。午後7時に晩ご飯を食べる。午後8時にお母さんの手伝いをする。午後8時半から9時半まで宿題をする。午後10時頃に寝る。Last session, we reflected on the number of activities we do each day, how early or late we do each activity, and the reason behind our daily schedule. Some of you think that you need to improve your daily schedule. In this session, we will try to do that by first checking if the activities we do in each day really fit the 24 hours we have in one day, or we actually doing less or more than we should in 24 hours. Then, we will share the information we gathered on time management, on the schedule of successful people, and on study guides and strategies, in order to get tips and ideas on how to better improve our daily schedule. Vocabulary development. In our next activity, try to figure out the meaning of the new Nihongo expression based on the given example. Let's have again the daily schedule of A-san. A-san は何時から何時まで寝る？
午後10時から午前4時まで寝る。
Let's compute A-san's sleeping time. 1時間、2時間、3時間、4時間、5時間、and 6時間。A-san は6時間寝る。A-san は何時から何時まで宿題をする
？8時半から9時半まで宿題をする。
1時間。A-san は1時間宿題をする。これは6時間。これは1時間。Together they are 7時間。Take note. Jikan refers to the word time, and at the same time, It is used for saying the number of hours or the duration of a particular activity.
Guided discussion. For example,
日本語クラスは8時から9時まで。is 1時間。
but we meet every.
月曜日、水曜日&金曜日。
So how many hours do we meet in 1 week?
3時間。
In 1 month, how many hours do we study Nihongo?
12時間。
Very good. So in 1 day, how many hours do we have?
24時間。
Guide questions. Do you think all the activities of ASAN will fit into the 24-hour diagram? How about your own schedule? Do you think it will fit into the 24-hour diagram? Activity. You have to make a circle diagram for your schedules just like the one we had earlier. If at any point, 24 Jikan seems not enough for all your activities, you can go back or adjust the time you spend on each activity. You may also interview one of your classmates on his or her daily schedule and make his or her circle diagram. Let's have the summary of this session. When we wrote down our daily schedule last session, we thought we already have a clear grasp of our schedules. But when we tried to fit our activities into a 24-hour pie graph, we found out that we are not using our time properly. Others are doing more while others are doing less. We always say, time flies so fast. Sometimes we don't realize that our day is about to end, and yet we still have a lot of things to do. It's like racing with time to beat certain deadlines. I know it is challenging because I also experienced the same dilemma. I think it is really a matter of time management. But how do we do this? We will try to figure out in the next part of this session. Questions to ponder. Barack Obama, Bill Gates, Manny Pacquiao, Miriam Santiago. What do you think are common among these people?
they are famous.
All of them are successful.
I guess they are busy people.
What do you think are the contributing factors why they became successful and famous?
They work hard.
Maybe they are rich from the start.
They manage their time.
Yes, it's time management. Activity on time. Think about the challenges or things you want to improve on your daily schedule. Then, make a written report on how you will overcome these challenges. You may refer to your research to gain ideas, tips, or techniques for time management. Minasan, reflection time. What is the new expression that you have learned today? What new discoveries did you have today? Which information did you find most useful for improving your daily schedule? Write it down in your Nihongo notes. Jugyo Owarimasu. Sayonara!